creek is flooding, and where the rocks are, very big, bigger than the creek. The water's rising.
And you're soaking wet and you don't have any extra clothes here.
Well, look. This?
It's dry.
Yes, and then look, Mark. I have extra pants. Get this. The creek is flooding so fast. When I first got there, I jumped over it and I had to jump like this. I made it, right? I had like a good foot of space. But then I went to go check the second creek, the really big one, even more flooded. By the time I got back, it was only a 2-minute trip. I jumped over and a ton of water came. And then I can't jump anymore. It's a good 3-4 feet of land that I jumped on, all gone.
Is there an umbrella so Ocean can check it out?
Yeah.
You brought an umbrella?
Ranger, did you bring the umbrella?
Oh, Ranger! No, you don't have extra pants!
Oh my baby shit.
We have Diesel here starting a fire.
None of the lighters work, so I'm not really working with anything. Just the ashes.
I trust you. I know you'll make something work. Don't worry. Kids are literally soaking wet right now. I have no idea why they think this is a good idea. It's pouring rain. Oh my gosh! Oh my goodness. There's supposed to be like thunder today. I'm not looking forward to that.
Thunder?
Yeah.
Right by the tree though.
Yeah, Diesel said that there's gonna be thunder. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Oh, there's a fire. Yay! We're getting the fire working because there's so much wind. You guys are going to regret jumping in the trampoline while it's raining because you guys are gonna get sick.
Bro, I'm gonna regret this so bad tonight. I'm gonna get so sick tomorrow and be like, Mama, help me.
Oh my goodness. I'm telling you, this is not
My boots are soaking.
I told you.
I'm gonna say let's go on the cannon, but it's gonna get really muddy. We just cleaned it.
How are you feeling?
Shaky. So, you think the cannon will get muddy if we go through the grass? Extremely.
We came at the perfect time. You guys might think we're crazy for this, but this is exactly what we wanted. Am I right, Diesel?
Oh, yeah.
We drove like 12 hours just to see rain last year, or was it the beginning of the year?
Beginning of this year.
Yeah, so like we love rain and it barely rains here, so yeah.
Subscribe or else you'll get rain like this. Or unless you love rain, then
Don't subscribe.
don't subscribe.
Where are we heading off to?
Amazon. Target to get new clothes, new shirts, new shoes, and we're also gonna get some snacks. We're also gonna get some snacks. I'm gonna get healthy stuff today.
We're gonna get blankets and extra clothes because somebody thought it was
Portable heaters.
to get wet. Rain. It's really confusing, Ocean, what is going on, because I think this is the first time that he sees it at this age. He saw it early on the year, but it wasn't like this. This is a lot. Oh my gosh!
Jeez, the wind is like.
You crazy? Bro, who does that?
I'm gonna get him some clothes.
I tried to like bundle him up in the clothing.
Fingers everywhere. Oh shit! Oh, he's so confused. Got some weighted blankets. Never had these before, but they should keep us warm. Why are you guys looking like you guys did something bad?
Let's just say when you walk into the kitchen, you might want to open the snack drawer.
We need snacks. This happened because we came to Sue's house unprepared. Literally, we did not bring anything with us in a rainy day except an umbrella. That was a good thinking, whoever put the umbrella.
To be fair, it's because it never rains that we came unprepared because we did not expect so much rain.
We're not used to it.
It's gonna get more rain now. Thunderstorms.
Whoa. Oh my gosh. You guys are not going to believe this. Oh no, it's not a rat. It's not a rat. Okay.
If it's a snake, that would be no.
No. Okay, wait. It's inside the toilet. Okay. So there is a frog inside the toilet.
No way.
No. Yes. I was about to flush the toilet and then I saw it and it was swimming. No. Yes.
Gone.
it's there. It's there. I saw its legs swimming. I said, yeah, it's in there. It's swimming.
Where'd you go, guys?
Okay. Careful, careful, careful. We have to. Oh, that's.
Okay, the other side.
Wait, it jumped out while I left? No. No, no, no.
It's moving. I think it's in here probably.
Oh, check. Let's open it.
No. It's gone. No, I probably went down the drain.
So we did not find the frog. I want to say that's a good thing, you guys, because it really did scare me. Really, very, very bad.
Because there are frogs here.
But in the toilet? How did it get inside the toilet?
Maybe the.
Oh, so say through the sewer. I hope to never have to deal with that again because that was terrifying.
So we're going up a stream,
It sounds like Ocean
a
Way.
little river that Sue has in her house.
It's impossible for us to cross to get to the second creek. There's only one way, but you have to walk through the creek.
Oh, it's that bad?
It's that bad. And it's not even right here. We have to walk like 5 minutes to get to a skinny part to walk through the creek.
Wait, I don't know about that.
You guys, our house is right there. Look at this. There is no way we're crossing that. How did you guys cross that earlier?
When I first got there, I jumped over it and I had to jump like this. We have to go over there because it gets smaller, so it's like better for us to cross because we don't have to go through so much creek. We can do it though because the second creek looks so cool.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Your jacket literally matches the creek.
Oh yeah. Take them through there the safe way.
Okay, so we're gonna be doing the safe way, which is this way. Okay.
That's off the wire. They cut you. They have
Well,
wires.
oh my, is there lobsters in here?
Ray just said there's wires and the wires can cut you, which is actually starting to get me freaked out.
Little shrimps.
But there is no frogs.
Frogs, yeah. Up there, there's like a swamp.
Using the zip line at this time. Deeper.
Yeah, I think so. How are we gonna cross back?
If anything, we'll have to take the road, but we have to go around the very back of the property.
We just passed one creek and we are on to a second creek, which we will not be passing.
This one's worse. No, this one's like super duper duper bad.
And it's way too rocky.
We have arrived to the second creek. This is still Sue's property. We're not gonna be crossing this, but wanted to see it. It's going crazy. Sue has a zip line in her house. Ranger, his foot is stuck in the mud. Ranger, hurry! You're gonna get hit. Run! Run! Go! Good luck, Sue! Don't let go! Hold on tight! Hold on tight! Don't be there!
I have so much water in my boots. I wonder if she'll hit me from right here. Probably not.
What?
He has 2 jumpers or pajamas under this.
2 under?
Yeah.
Wow.
He doesn't like wearing the jacket, so I have to do double layers.
That's triple.
I was going pretty fast.
What the heck? What just happened?
Everyone's having a blast. Nobody wants to go inside. I want to go inside. Ocean does not want to go inside. Every time we go inside, he wants to come back out. Oh, he already set up the fire, so I think me and Ocean are gonna go chill in the fire right now. I don't know what he's doing. He's doing something with this. Sue is soaking, but I mean, she's living her life. She absolutely loves it. That's exactly why we have to go to Target and buy new clothes.
Yeah.
Because we did not come prepared. Oopsies. Your hair is extremely curly.
Is it?
Extremely curly. It's not cold. It's just windy.
Yeah, like it's not cold at all.
No, it's just windy and raining. Nothing best than to be in a warm fire after a gloomy day. Kids are still going strong over there. And Ocean's just chilling. He's just looking at everything. I do not know how they're still going at it after all this. I am exhausted. And I haven't done anything. Hello, Diesel.
Hi.
How was the zip line?
Good.
Yeah?
Yeah. Oh, this needs some room.
Yeah. Seeing how much water she has in her boots. Oh.
You know what's crazy is when I was crossing the river, I was like, so why is there water in my feet? I think there's like, these are open at the toes because water got in.
We just got those.
They're also like 2 seconds too big.
It is so incredibly windy right now. It was like the best time to come back to. Look at that. Oh my, careful guys. Oh my goodness. Living the life, I must say. Is it a best day ever or what?
Yep.
Diesel begged to come today. Literally begged, and my husband had to work, and my husband's like, yeah, we can't go today, so I ended up surprising everybody coming here today. Diesel, you're good at starting fires.
I do.
Yeah.
You know what grim realization I just had? I knew I was probably gonna get sick, you know? Probably runny nose, right? Is what I thought.
Yeah.
And then I remembered, I was like, why does my throat feel tight? My chest, I mean. I'm gonna start coughing. I hate getting the flu and coughing. You know that time I did the Zillow thing?
Yeah.
I do not like that kind of cough. It feels horrible.
Because you can't stop coughing even though you want to.
Yeah, and like, I don't like coughing.
I told you not to get wet. You guys are going to regret jumping in the trampoline while it's raining because you guys are gonna get sick.
I didn't realize I was that kind of sick. I just thought runny nose.
I literally told everybody don't get wet, but it never rains, you guys. It's a one in a lifetime experience here, so
Yeah, it's worth it.
you gotta go dance in the rain.
Singing in the rain.
She said that she has an idea. She didn't say what the idea was, but told Solange and Ranger, I have an idea. If you guys want to come with me, and did not say what it was. And now they're gone. It's safe over there, other than it's raining, but again, it never rains, so I'm letting them get wet for a little bit. They gotta shower after. Guys, look at this. Oh my god. Your base! Diesel! Oh! You okay?
Yeah.
Your base!
What about it?
It's gonna be soaking wet!
Oh yeah. It's gonna get more rain now. Thunderstorms.
Guys! It's gonna get really bad! There's a storm coming! Hurry! There's a storm coming! We checked the weather at 4 p.m. It's gonna be terrible. There's 30 minutes till 4.
It's already getting bad.
Yeah.
I didn't know it was gonna rain this bad.
Yeah. Are you guys enjoying the rain?
Yeah, we're gonna play hopscotch.
I don't know if you guys should do that right now with the storm coming. Thunder, etc. What was that?
Thunder.
That was thunder. Should we go in there if there's thunder?
I mean,
That's the garage, guys. We got to see if the washer and dryer are hooked up because...
my 4 minutes away, there was a restaurant that got hit by lightning.
What, 4 minutes?
You know the blue.
That's the one, Mom. It's right by the pizza place. It's literally across the street from the pizza place.
You got hit by thunder?
It got hit by thunder and it went on fire.
Oh, heck no. I'm out. Mom, I won't be able to use extra socks because Rachel put all of them.
It's cold. Tell him to take them off. Why would you put...
Look. So this is dirty, but look. It's less moisture.
Oh my gosh, you have like 20 pairs there. Ocean. Oh my god. Oh, I thought I had gotten heated blankets, you guys, and I ended up getting
Weighted blanket.
which is...
It's very heavy. Like one time, my friend's dad, she threw it on me and I was like,
Oh.
it's heavy.
Oh. Okay, so where are we going? Because I need my horse. So we're gonna go see Diamond. For those of you that don't know, here's a real recap of who Diamond is. Tell me when you're ready.
Ready.
You can now take off your blindfold. Happy birthday! You're looking at your horse. let's head on out. Diesel, I think, got the dryer working. That means that we can get all of our stuff dry. My mascara is really smeared. Okay, so I had a thought that the frog that was inside the toilet might have jumped out and could be anywhere in here, including underneath the sink. No?
Nope.
If you guys are wondering why it's so dirty in here, it's because we just finished doing her house and a lot of workers use this bathroom. We haven't not had a chance to clean it. It came out from here. Oh. Okay, so yeah, it's not here. I just wanted to double check that it was not in the house because, you know, we're here.
Did it flood it?
I have no idea why it's wet. Come on.
Maybe.
So your sweater says something in the back. It says, hey, today is a good day.
Aww.
Okay, this is where Diamond is. And it is pouring rain. Someone's with our horse.
No.
Wait, I see it.
No.
Oh no, a man is walking over there. He's walking right there.
The river.
But there's a man walking. And there's a river. Oh! Oh, hi, Diamond.
Oh, that scared the heebie-jeebies out of her.
The noise?
It's the weather.
Oh.
This weather, for some reason, they go from a 5 to a 10.
Oh, anything scares them? She has really pretty blue eyes. You see them red right now, but they're so pretty. They're blue. She's gonna show us how she gets on her.
I'm just making sure she knows what I'm about to do.
Okay.
Because it freaks her out sometimes when I run up to her.
She's chilling. She's just eating.
I have to wait for the rain to die down a little.
Okay.
Okay, ready?
Okay.
Oh, her bucking me off. Oh, she's giving me the look. She knows. She knows what's up. Okay.
Oh yeah?
I was just playing with you guys. Guys,
She's so good. She's like, bro, just do it.
I've done this before. I know what I'm doing.
Yeah.
I scared her. I'm gonna get her. I'm gonna
This is still the same creek that comes from her house. Check this out. This is actually so scary. Yeah. Absolutely. No, it's so scary. Morse time?
Oh yeah. I'm doing it.
Ranger, you like yours that black?
No, Mom, I'm taking it off.
You scared me.
Oh shoot. No! Mine fell off.
Oh,
guys.
did it go inside?
Guys, look.
Is that how you like it?
Yep.
Hi, Ocean. He's chilling. Ocean. Ocean. Hi. Hi. Do you want a marshmallow? Do you want a marshmallow? Do you want a marshmallow?
Nah. Here's a little technique I did. So first you get one of these bamboo sticks, and then you get strawberries, and then ow!
You okay?
Yeah.
Are you doing like a stick full of fruits?
Oh yeah.
That's a very
Then-
genius idea.
When I get melon, melon, I don't know, melon.
That strawberry is on the verge of falling.
look.
Ocean is having the time of his life. Like, I don't know if he's like concentrated in the fire, but he's just so chilling right now. He's probably tired too, huh, Diesel?
Yeah.
It's past his bedtime.
Diesel?
It's past our bedtime, I want to say. This is Sue. She is so tired.
I really am.
Yeah. Yeah. We went to Vaughn's and she's like, yeah, I hope this tires us even more so we could go to sleep.
Yeah. So I'm gonna roast this.
There's no way you're gonna roast that.
No, actually. This orange juice has 22 grams of sugar. Oh wow.
Everybody look at Ocean. He is so cute. You are so cute. You're tired. Uh-oh. Ooh, smoke's coming towards us. I just realized that today is gonna be the very first time we spend the night here without my husband. So I'm a little bit worried. You were gonna go to bed and you're here eating spicy Fritos.
I don't want to miss out.
Yeah, you shouldn't miss out. You should sit down.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do.
Yeah, we're gonna be going to sleep soon, right, guys?
Smoke.
He's chilling, eating cantaloupe.
But I can put the orange peel in here. It's
Is that good? Is that so good? Oh, it's right here. Is it too hard? I feel like that's hard. Oh, it jumped. Singing songs for Ocean since we don't have
We're gonna
TV yet.
You guys know Veil Veil? It's by Lily Pampin. If not, go watch it. Lily Pampin.
Everyone knows it. Okay, Ocean's
Veil
ready.
Veil. We're gonna do Veil Veil.
Ocean, you ready? Okay, he's ready.
Am I gonna see the Veil Veil? Okay. Veil Veil. Give it.
They left you hanging? Guys, don't leave Celeste hanging.
Hang over, you guys have to see it. I've never seen it, but. Okay, ready? Veil Veil.
¿Qué ves?
Una cosita.
¿Y qué cosita es?
Empieza con la A. ¿Qué será? ¿Qué será? ¿Qué será? Elefante. No, no, no. Eso no, no, no. Eso no, no, no. No es así. Con la A es que era amor. Con la A es que era Dios. Con la A. Ayuda.
Ayuda.
Veo. Wait, don't say it.
Veo.
¿Qué ves?
Una cosita.
¿Y qué cosita es?
Empieza con
No,
la
oh,
¿Qué seré? ¿Qué seré? ¿Qué seré?
Ayúdame, no, 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 eso no, 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 eso no, 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 no es así. Con la con la N es que I have no idea. Okay, let's do the one with the forest, because with the wolf in the forest.
Oh, everyone knows that one. Yeah.
Ellie, Ellie, Luli, Pampin. We're gonna do the jungle, and then we're gonna do a new one. Okay, ready? Ellie, Ellie, Luli, Pampin. Okay, you know it. Ready?
A lot of people don't.
Dun, dun.
That's like 1 billion views.
It does have 1 billion views. No, it's the Adams. I know the whole dance, guys.
That's all I know.
Encontré el patito Juan. En la esquina de San Juan. Y me dijo a charlar. Solo yo te voy a dar a goes.
Obedece a tu
No,
mamá.
it goes, obedece a tu papá. No, it's papá first.
Oh, obedece a tu papá.
Obedece a tu mamá. Y si das gracias a Dios, larga vida te dará. What's
Okay, ready? I don't know. Ready? Okay, ready? Wait, how does the forest go again? Oh, camina por la selva. No sé qué encontraré. Oigo a animales. Pero se descubriré. Oigo. Un elefante. Pisa con el elefante.
He's trying to dance.
¿Qué encontraré? Oiga animales.
Time to go to sleep. Everybody has promised no sneaking out, so I can sleep in peace tonight. No sneaking out.
Yes, I'm
No
no,
sneaking
I
out.
promise I'm gonna sleep.
I want to sleep. No, Sue's too tired to sneak out. I don't know how she made it this far.
Oh.
It's cold and raining, and then the stream is going really fast. You guys already promised no sneaking out, so I'm
I
gonna
can
be.
promise.
Look at Ocean. He's like, please take me to sleep. Ocean, you ready to go to sleep? Yes, you're ready to go to sleep. Diesel's putting out the fire. Ranger also promised that he won't be sneaking out. You got a little burn doing the marshmallow. Oh yeah, I feel it. It's hot. Diesel putting out the fire, working hard. Almost out. Diesel?
Yeah.
You're the only one missing. You need to promise that you won't be sneaking out tonight.
No.
You have to, or we're gonna go home.
I'm not going to promise that.
Just promise so I could go to sleep.
Fine, I promise.
Yay! Oh my goodness. Oh.
It's just steam. It's not the actual smoke, I think. Yeah, right there.
I helped.
Oh my gosh.
There's still fire blazing on this side, so do it once more. Right here, on this left.
Well, there is still a lot everywhere. Not just on this side, but on that side. Oh. Almost done.
Yeah.
Last one. Okay, I think that's good. It's like a Halloween horror film happening right here in front of us. Okay, let's go to sleep.
Yeah, that's good.
Good job.
Thank you. Well, the coyotes are howling.
That's a dog. That's a dog. Yeah.
Wait, watch this for me.
Yeah. Look at Ranger.
No, Rachel, do the thing you did over there.
No.
Go ahead and do it.
No.
Yeah.
Don't do it.
I can do this. Look. Lump, some, lump.
He's just tired. Whoa, what? That is quite a lot of smoke. You know what? The neighbors are gonna start worrying about all this smoke.
Oh, yeah. Okay. 2 pesos.
All right, everybody, it is time for bed. They always get like this right before we go to sleep. You just pushed her.
Because she pushed me first.
Oh. She gets the most energy right before she goes to sleep.
She gets energy and mine drains.
And yeah, she's drained. Diesel, how about you?
Rose is here.
I'll stay another.
What the heck? Spider-Man. You have quite a bit of shirts.
Bro, shoot, your pajamas are so small.
Yeah. Diesel's sharing Sue's pajamas. This is our setup, you guys. Diesel, Ranger are up there because they want to stay warm. Girls are down here. Me and Ocean are down here. We have heavy weighted blankets that are going to keep us really warm tonight.
Heavy.
And Ocean's done for the day. He's like, I'm out. I don't want to see or talk to anybody. Good night.
Wait, love you.
Love you. Good night, Ranger. Love you.
This way?
Good night, girls. Love you guys.
Mama, good night, Mama. I have a question. Do I put my this way or this way?
However feels more comfortable. Yeah, no.
What did you
Ocean is so done. Lights are going off. Good night. Good night.
Good night, guys. Love you.
Oh my goodness. So this is how it feels like to sleep in here. Okay, if somebody knocked, please tell me now. Did one of you guys knock?
I didn't. I swear to knock.
Sue. That is not funny. I do not find you funny. This is... He's tired.
Good morning. We're out and about. 7 in the morning. Sue, Solash, and Diesel stayed back sleeping. Ocean and Ranger are like, nope, we want to go walk. We're going to take a stroll. We have a ton of puddles from the rain last night. A lot on the ground.
We made it to the front of her house. It's kind of hard to go through a stroller here, only because there's so many rocks.
Look.
And little pieces.
This stroller, it's on this.
Yeah.
When I push it doesn't.
Yeah, and it gets jammed. But Ocean's enjoying his walk. We're going back? Let's go more to the front. There's literally a cat in Sue's property. There it is.
That's the neighbor.
That's the neighbor's cat. You've seen the cat before?
Yeah. One's so red, one's so red.
And the cat's gone. It's going back to their house.
His son. Look how pretty this looks. I'm gonna go.
Everyone's up in a good mood. Here, look at her outfit. It stands out with like everything, yeah.
It got smaller though, because you can see where the water is.
Oh yeah, you're right. It's not as wait, how deep is it?
Let's see. I'm gonna ruin my perfectly good outfit. You can see how deep it is.
No, don't ruin it. I'll do it. I have big boy boots.
I got big
Okay.
boy.
Oh, it's not that bad.
Can I walk in it? You think I can walk?
Oh, so it's that way. It gets my whole ankle. It's pretty deep, right?
Yeah, but I want to go see the other creek, so let's go through it.
We're gonna go check out the second river, which is on the other side.
Not because there's not a bunch of rocks there.
That's because the water was covering it.
It's so much lower than yesterday.
Yeah, it's not as heavy.
Woo!
These trees are full of thousands of spiders, and I learned that the hard way.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, you can't see them.
No, you can't. So just don't go through it. Because the next time you look down, yeah, they're very tiny. They're like white. Don't do it.
Okay.
He was in the car with me when it happened. I was on the Can-Am and I decided to drive through a tree. I was like, hey, watch this, guys.
No, that's not your fault. No. Yes, got it. Yes, got it. Hold my hand.
I'm holding your hand. You're not going to the second one?
I can't get there. I have my own shoes.
I'll carry you. Go in my back. Yeah, I'll do piggy.
Yes, she's filming.
Piggyback. These are staying behind, but look at this beautiful entryway. It looks so pretty because it's green. It's gonna be even greener in a few days.
Yeah.
It'll be so pretty.
There's glass now.
Your boots are still wet
Yes.
from yesterday?
Yes.
Yes. Those are snow boots.
Yes.
What happened to your water boots?
No, no.
We don't talk about that.
No.
Okay.
Not deep at all.
This is the second one.
Let me try it first for you.
Yeah, this one goes all the way down to that scary, massive one I saw yesterday. That one was terrifying. I don't know about that, Sue.
Not deep.
Okay. This morning, Ranger's like, I got something for you. Gives me a beautiful ring right there. It's a butterfly one. I don't know where he found it, but it's so pretty.
I'm gonna move the rocks so you can walk easier.
Okay.
Yeah, because that we hit my face.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Say goodbye to the house because we're heading out. Yes. Such a fun night.
We're coming back.
Such a fun day.
No.
Rainy. It was the best day to come when it was raining.
Yeah.
Memorable experience. Okay, back home, and we have a pair of shorts for the trip. Okay, so we're starting with these. Now I'm pairing, this is gonna be for, I think, 2 outfits. And I'm gonna pair it with, first one is a black shirt, and then with the belt. Oh, I love. Just to clarify, what's going on? She's not coming, but she loves being in the suitcase. Oh, she's not coming. Girl, that's so sad. She's the 6th child for the week. I got her. So if anyone asks, it's the style. Got these pants. I'm in love with these pants, and I've had them for years. I'll add this in later. That's the bathing suit she's gonna be taking. We're gonna hit up the waterfalls, and they're really warm over there, so I'm very excited. Nice, nice choice. Italy, Italy.
She's messing up my folded clothes. It's okay though. It's okay. You're perfect.
She is going to miss you so much while you're gone. I'm going to miss you so much while you're gone. Some sad days are coming ahead. We found a different bathing suit. She has changed her mind. Disa! Don't leave me.
But I am. This is so heavy.
He came back from the ranch and went straight to cut his hair, you guys.
You look like you're backpacking.
You're hiking. That's where you're going. I am going to keep you here with me. He does his cutest little face. It's so cute. Okay, he went from cute to shouting all of a sudden. Oh. What'd you pack? What did you pack? What I helped you pack or something else?
I got my laptop, belt, shoes, clothes,
Easy.
and charger.
Toothbrush, toothpaste.
Oh, yeah, I took that.
Oh, say bye. Say bye. Oh, say bye. He thinks that I'm taking photos of him.